Hello again. We are working on example C, solving quadratics. First thing I need to notice or ask myself, is this in standard form? So yes, x squared, x to the first, no x. So then I can identify that this is A is 1, B is 7, and C is 12. Because I'm going to use the AC method to factor this equation. All right, AC, so A times C is 1 times 12. So I've got to find some combination multiplying 12 that adds to 7. So going through my process, 1 times 12, that's 13. Let's go with 2 times 6, that's 8. Let's try 3 times 4. Hey, we have a winner. That will get me to 7. So now, coming back up here, we need to rewrite the 7x. So x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. So I just rewrote this 7x, into something I can now group. And so as you recall with AC method, or in case you haven't noticed at this point in Algebra 1, if I have 4 terms, I'm probably going to be grouping. So let's group those 2 terms and these 2. So we need to find a GCF here. We can factor out an x. It leaves me with x plus 4. On this second part, we can factor out a 3, which again leaves me with an x plus 4. And all that is set to equal 0, which tells me, hint, hint, you've got to solve for x. Now, notice, what's the common factor for this? X plus 4. So let's divide x plus 4 out, and that leaves me with x plus 3. And shazam, we have it factored down. Now my goal is to solve, so let's take each part, set it equal to 0, and solve for x. And there we have the 2 solutions for that quadratic right there. Woohoo! Let's rock on, working on D. Let's change our colors because I can. Example D, it is in standard form, so I can quickly identify A, B, and C. Using the AC method, 1 times 6. Now let's try to find the factors of 6 that add up to a negative 5. So I could do something like 1 times 6. I can even do negative 1 times negative 6. Positive 2 times 3, or a negative 2 times 3. And we have a winner. Negative 2 times negative 3 is a negative 5. So let's rewrite this dude right here. X squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is 0. Okay, 4 parts. Going to group. So the common factor, GCF, for these 2 terms, x, leaves me with x minus 2. These 2 terms, GCF is a negative 3, leaves me with an x minus 2. And voila, we have a common factor of x minus 2. Now let's take each part, set it equal to 0, and solve for x. That's supposed to be a 2. And right here. So our solutions, our answers, x equals 2, x equals 3. Stay tuned, more fun happening soon.